be longer, about 10 to 15 years, from 3 to 5 years with collection time. And the color of the pearl is natural. It depends on the color of the oyster without the shell. Example, Mastima, oyster is yellow. Yes, Angoya. Yes. Small size, about 2 to 10 millimeter. You can touch. Yeah, you can touch.
Okay, guys. Elizabeth just won a pill because she knows.
Now follow me this way. This way.
So, say you want a pill, Elizabeth? Yeah.
About 8 to 18 centimeters.
Okay, guys, if you've seen what that guy was doing just over there, these are the kind of artworks they can come up with, fossils and shells in there. Look at the detail. It's pretty good, eh? Do you reckon I could make something like that? I don't think I'll be able to make anything like that. Let's go. Okay, guys, that's where all your pearl necklaces get made here in Vietnam. Yeah. In this beautiful shop. Okay, how's it going, guys? We're on another adventure. This time without Liz, because we were about to go on the John's tour around, and then just the last minute she come down with some sort of bug. She got sick, so there's only 3 of us on today. That's the John's bus tour, by the way, and that's the pearl farm. This is the first stop that we went to. Okay, the pearls in there are quite beautiful, by the way, but too much out of my budget anyway. They're worth heaps, but as you seen earlier on this clip, Elizabeth won a little pill. Ups to her. She was listening. But yeah, that's the pearl place. That's our first stop. Okay, how's it going? There's a man, I don't know if he's part of some tour or he could be like a grab driver or something. Apparently it's meant to rain today too. It ain't rained at all today. It's hot ass, like usual. We're just waiting for the rest of our tour to come out of the pearl place. There's probably a lot of people buying stuff up in there. I don't know. Okay, I don't know where we're going to next, but it'll be something interesting later. Okay, winos, we're at the next stop of our tour. Oh, actually we did another stop at a pepper farm, but I didn't film anything there. This time we're at the wine stop testing, and we're going to get to test some wine. They actually don't make this wine out of grapes, by the way. They make it out of a thing called myrtle. It's like a fruit, I think, but we're just going to have a look around at the actual myrtle, I think. Let's go and have a look.
You take off from the top here and you eat the whole thing. Here, also here. The black one, Oh, here.
Nice.
Nice for you. Like jam or chocolate.
Okay. These are your different types of the wines that are made of it. 580,000 dong. This one here is only 200,000 dong. So that there is actually quite a good price. Even better price. Must be a discount, 39%. Okay. We'll go up to the wine tasting bit now. Nice. Okay. Thank you.
Somebody else? Anyone? This way? So we will try come here.
That's yum. Very nice tasting wine. Okay, I'm gonna get chocolate. See? Myrtle syrup. Oh, actually, that 39% I was saying earlier, that's the volume of it, not the discount. I got that wrong. See? This one here must be the very expensive one. Must be the nice tasting one. What's up, guys? We're here at another stop now. We're at a pagoda. This is where we're gonna get lovely pictures. I know it. But the dreaded thing about this pagoda is walking up these steps. And it's hot. Let's go. Look at that beautiful dragon. It goes all the way up too. Cool.
Actually, the fermentation for 1 year. After
Okay.
1 year, we open
These are here are big pots for fish sauce.
from the big pot to the small one, the blue one.
They're huge. Look at them.
Smell.
I think it's like
Actually 45% protein here. Better.
the smell doesn't smell that nice, by the way.
The mum,
It smells like cows from New Zealand. It does a little bit, eh?
So, yeah. Actually, now that you mention it, it smells better. It smells like cow. Because I'm just thinking of farms.
Yeah, it does smell like a farm. Okay. We're just deciding what the smells like. It smells like a farm in New Zealand, like a cow farm. If you farmers actually know what I mean, it's not a nice smell. But apparently they keep them in these big tubs straight from the start, and they stay in there for 1 year, and then the smell doesn't smell as bad, apparently. So these ones in here must have not been in there for a year yet, because it still stinks. Okay, and these are the fish sauces that they come up like. Apparently we have them in all different countries around the world. So you'll probably see them in New Zealand as well. Maybe in the supermarket, in the international part. Okay guys, just another little thing. They have these like donation box outside toilets. And those 500 ones, I've never seen before. I've only seen, the lowest I've seen is a 500 in a coin, but in notes, 1,000. And that's not that much. Very cheap actually. 1,000 was like maybe 15 cents New Zealand. Okay, the pictures and the views in this room. I've already been in there, but I'm just putting this up earlier. Maybe disturbing for some people. So you might want to turn it off for a little bit, maybe only a couple of minutes, and then you can get back to it. Thank you. Okay guys. Okay. This is where all the bad people go. This is the prison. But this is a place where tourists can go. So we're allowed in here. So we won't get to see any bad people. Well, maybe we might. I don't know. We'll soon see.
This bird from the last people. This one. Outside we see the prison.
Okay. Look at the little... Look at the remains they find, and then they put them in these little boxes. That happened back in 2008. Okay, we're gonna go inside the prison now. Well, I don't know if it's inside the prison, but I think we're heading that way. I gotta go and find my tour guide. Where is he going? Oh, he's going that way. We're heading that way. Okay, this is outside of the prison. As you can see, guys back in New Zealand, you think your prison's bad? Have a look at this one. That's how they used to do it back in those days. Pretty scary. Looks like there'll be no getting out of that prison.
I think this is against the Geneva Code.
Hey?
I think this is against the Geneva Code.
Yeah, man. Okay guys, I know that was not a nice thing to see, but I had to show it. Okay, we're going down the tunnel now. I don't know where we're going. We're still in the, like, the prison location. We'll see where it comes out. Okay. Say hello. Hello. Okay. I'm just gonna purchase one of these coconut things. I think they're coconut. They look quite nice anyway. And I like my sweet food. So it's apparently 10,000. And there'll be no money in that wallet because that's my wallet. Okay. Come on, thank you. Okay, see this little donut thing I'm eating? The first one I had was like a coconut one. It was actually really nice. That's why I decided to try another one. Because if it wasn't nice, I wasn't going to buy me another one because the other one wouldn't have been that nice. Okay, this one here, it's got like golden syrup in it. It's actually pretty good. A little bit hard, but they're kind of crunchy hard. But they're nice, and it's only 10,000. That's less than $1. But pretty good. But okay, this is where we stopped off, and we're here till 3 o'clock, and we've been here since like 1 o'clock. Okay, the beach, I don't know if I'm going to swim in that because there's a lot of seaweed that comes up onto the beach, and the guys over there, they were cleaning it up before. They look like they've got activities here as well, like you can see all that little kids, that stuff all kids in that can play on. You can take a lot, probably go out to that swing and take a little photo. Looks like they've got a lot of fishing boats here as well, and you can hire out jet skis as well, but it's like 500,000 dong for like 10 minutes. So that's like, I think 500 is like 20, maybe 30 something dollars. I'll say 30 something. So I've done it before, so I'm not going to do it again. But the beach, yeah, it's actually really quiet. There's no one down here. Well, no one down where we are anyway. Maybe there's maybe a few more people down that way. Might go, oh, looks too far for me to walk. It's like 20 past 2 now, and our bus is leaving at like 3 o'clock. And then we're heading off to the place where you get the cable car, but the cable car's not running at the moment. I know that because we checked it online on Google. Yeah, so usually with the cable car, you can get the cable car to another water park, another theme park. So we did that theme park around Christmas time as well. It's pretty cool too, but we're not doing it this time. We'll go and have a quick nosy at these prices over here. I'll tell you what I was talking about before. See what I mean? You can do like 10 minutes on the jet ski for 500,000 dong, 20 minutes for 900,000, and then as you can see the prices go up. See, parasailing for one person 700,000 dong. But in hindsight, in Vietnam, prices are pretty cheap. See, the guy's gonna come over, but I was just showing the prices. He was like looking at me and he was like, oh man, I might have a sale here, but probably not. Okay, you hire these chairs out. Chairs with no cushions, by the way, for 50,000. So we all hired one each. And we had dinner up here, lunch up there, by the way. What's up, guys? Right, I think we're at our last stop on our John's tour. You would think we were in Vietnam. Oh no, sorry, not Vietnam. You would think we were in Italy. Yeah, but we're not in Italy. We're in Quoc Island in Vietnam. So I don't know what these people are building, but man, it's crazy. We're down the south of Quoc Island. So we're staying up around Granville. That's the north. So we're down the south now. And it's beautiful there, by the way. But look at all the infrastructure here. Look at it. But a lot of the buildings are vacant still. They're empty. Hopefully, maybe another year or two it'll get more busier. Or maybe it's just the season where we are at the moment. Maybe it's just quiet now and we might get busier later. I don't know. But all I can say about this place is wow. Like wow, like look at all the big statues or gladiators or Roman gladiators. Mean. Like last time we come here, it wasn't here. I mean, it was here, but we didn't even know this was here. We didn't even see it. Wicked. Okay guys, this is a first for me, especially on a tour. So I've been on a tour in Cambodia where our bus is overheated and then we've had to pull over, but this is the first time on a bus that has popped. Looks like we'll be waiting here for a while. That's all good. I got a whole packet of ciggies anyway. And it's a beautiful day, by the way. It's hot. Okay guys, we just jumped in another bus. Now this bus is packed.